Hey everyone, welcome back to Endless Money Pits. This is my 2000 BMW 328i, and today I'll show you how to remove and reinstall the interior door panels. I'll be demonstrating on a front door, but the rear doors are essentially the same. If you're taking apart the door because water's coming in through it, I have a video on how to fix that. And if you trip the airbag light while repairing a window regulator, I've got a video on fixing that too. Here are the tools I needed for the door panels. Electric screwdriver, T20 Torx bit, plastic prying tool, tiny flathead screwdriver, and a magnetic bowl. I'll start by removing anything stored in the door panel pocket. Use a plastic prying tool to carefully remove the trim. There are two plastic plugs under the armrest hiding two screws. You'll also need to remove the mirror controller, blank plate, or a window switch depending on which door you're working on. This door panel has 5 screws holding it in place, but if I remember correctly, the back doors only have 4 screws each. The screw next to the door handle is longer than the others and may require extra force to remove. Grab your prying tool again and pop the clips around the bottom and sides of the door panel. The door panel should now be hanging from its top edge. Grab both ends of the panel and pull it straight out, starting from the end opposite of the door lock knob. Pull the panel out a few inches and pull the door lever to release the cable connection. Then disconnect the speakers. Now the door panel should come free. You might find that some of the plastic clips in the door panel are broken or missing. They're cheap and easy to replace, and if you own this car, you're going to be taking off the door panels more than you think, so it's good to have some extras on hand. Now I'll show you how to reinstall the door panel. First, reconnect the speakers. Don't forget to route the window switch or mirror control wires through the door handle. The door lever cable should easily snap into place like this. Make sure the door lever is in the closed position first. There's a row of clips along the top of the door that fit into corresponding holes in the door panel. I like to use the door lock knob as an anchor point to line everything up. With the window down, squeeze the door panel onto the door and make sure there aren't any gaps. Carefully make sure these clips are lined up before pushing them into place. They break easily, especially the old ones. Next comes the screws. Reinstall all the screws and don't forget that the longest one goes next to the door handle. Now you can reinstall the mirror controller, window switch, or blank plate depending on the door. Before reinstalling the trim, make sure these plastic pieces are lined up with the holes in the door. Also, make note of the two prongs at one end. These need to fit under the door lever housing before pressing the trim into place. Put your crap back in the door panel and we're done. I've made a bunch of E46 videos and there's more on the way, so check those out before you go. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more of the best DIY videos on the internet. And until next time, just keep throwing money at it.